Next point, it is the concentration or it is also the strength of solution. Concentration or also it is called as the strength of solution. Firstly, we will see what is meant by concentration. What is the definition of concentration? Concentration of solution means as the amount of solute which is dissolved in specific amount of solvent, it is called as the concentration of solution. How many amount of solute which is dissolved in specific amount of solvent, it is called as the concentration of solution. Concentration of solution, in which we see what is meant by dilute solution firstly, and concentration, concentrated solution. These two terms of concentration of solution on the basis of qualitatively. Dilute solution means the solution in which containing less amount of solute, which is called as the dilute solution. Less amount of solute. We know that solute plus solvent to form the solution, but dilute solution in which the component solute which is in the form of less amount and its opposite the solvent is more amount. So dilute solution in which less amount of solute is present, the less amount of the solution containing the less amount of solute, which is called as the dilute solution. And concentrated solution means the solution which containing the more amount, relatively more amount of solute, more amount of solute, the solution which containing relatively more amount of solute, it is called as the concentrated solution. Okay, then next we see how to express the concentration of solution on the basis of quantitatively. The concentration of solution which is expressed in following types. First one is the mass by percentage, your percentage by mass. First one is the percentage by mass. Percentage by mass means the mass of solute in gram dissolved in solvent to form 100 gram of solution, it is called as the percentage by mass. Percentage by mass, which is right and in short percentage by percentage W by W. Its meaning is mass by mass. And what is the formula of percentage by mass? The percentage by mass means W by W, which is equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution. Mass of solute divided by mass of solution multiplied by 100. What is the formula of percentage by mass? It is the ratio of mass of solute. It is the solute in the form of gram which is dissolved in solvent to form the 100 gram of solution. That is the percentage by mass. Mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100, and mass of solution, that is mass of solution means total mass of solution, it is nothing but the mass of solute plus mass of solvent, that is solute plus solvent to form the mass of solution. Percentage by mass, it is the unitless quantity. Second expression for the concentration, which is expressed in percentage by volume. Percentage by volume, and percentage by volume, which is denoted by percentage V by V. Percentage V by V. The percentage by volume means the volume of solute in milliliter. The volume of solute in milliliter, which is dissolved in solvent to form 100 ml of solution, it is called as the percentage by volume. What is the formula of percentage by volume? See here, percentage of V by V, which is equal to volume of solute divided by volume of solution. Volume of solution multiplied by 100. Both solute and solution, their volume of solute divided by volume of solution multiplied by 100, we get the percentage by volume. In this percentage by volume, volume is depend on the temperature. That means volume which is changes with temperature. Okay. Then next we say it is the third type is, it is percentage of mass by volume. Mass by volume, it is the percentage of mass, that is weight, mass by volume, which is equal to, what is the formula of percentage of mass by volume? It is the mass of solute divided by volume of solution. Mass of solute divided by volume of solution into 100 multiplied by 100. When we calculate the percentage by mass by volume, what is the formula? Mass of solute, we write the firstly the mass of solute divided by volume of solution into 100, we get the percentage of mass by volume. Okay. Then next, parts per million. Next concentration terms is parts per million. Fourth type is, it is the parts per million. In short, it is called as the ppm, parts per million. What is meant by parts per million? Parts per million means the concentration of solute present in trace quantity. Trace quantity means very small quantity. The concentration of solution in which solute which is present in small quantity, very small quantity, trace quantity, and which is expressed in the form of parts per million. What is the formula of parts per million? Parts per million which is equal to mass or volume of solute. Mass or volume of solute divided by total mass or total volume of solution, divided by total mass or total volume of solution multiplied by parts per million, means it is not in the percentage 100, it is in the form of million, so that we multiplied by 10 raised to 6. 10 raised to 6. Parts per million means it is the mass of solute divided by total mass multiplied by 10 raised to 6, or volume of solute divided by total volume of solution multiplied by 10 raised to 6. We see for one example for that point, parts per million. See here, for example, if 0.5 gram of solute is present in 10 raised to 7 gram of a solution, then ppm, parts per million of solute is given by, calculate the parts per million of solute if the mass of solute is 0.5 gram and the present in solution, the total mass of solution is 10 raised to 7 gram. So the calculate the ppm value for this example. ppm, parts per million, which is equal to mass of solute divided by total mass of solution. What is the value? Mass of solute, it is the 0.5 gram into 10 raised to, what is the formula? 10 raised to 6. Mass of solute divided by total mass of solution multiplied by 10 raised to 6 million. 0.5 gram mass of solute divided by total mass of solution, it is the 10 raised to 7 gram multiplied by 10 raised to 6. Gram unit cancel. In this 10 raised to 6, 10 raised to 6 cancel. 0.5, 10 is remaining, which is on denominator. It is a 10 raised to minus 1, that means 0.05. The ppm value we get the 0.05. Okay. The parts per million, which is can also be expressed in the form of mass to mass, volume to volume, and also mass to volume. Mass to volume means what? Mass of solute divided by total volume of solution. Okay. It is the fourth type of concentration of solution which is expressed in the fourth type. It is the parts per million. Okay.